Tanggalin natin muna.
So hello guys, so welcome to our video for today. So it's been a long time coming. So ayan, si Mrs. finally will buy her own iPhone 17 Pro Max. So backstory lang to everyone. So matagal na panahon bago nabili ni Mrs. yung kanyang phone. So ilang years na ba, mami? 6 years. So very excited siya. So tara, samahan nyo kami sa SM Mega Mall para kasi pick upin na yung phone na nabili niya. So, see you guys. Tara, sama kayo. Let's go!
Tanggalin natin muna. Reserve. Okay, this is it.
Wait lang.
Pwede na, sir.
Okay na lang.
Okay na. Jay gonna be happy if you see this.
Wait lang.
I wanna see it. Hey? One!
Oh my goodness. So hard.
Let me help you.
No, only mom.
I'm a kid. I just got it.
Mahirap nga.
Let me see.
Yay!
Oh my god!
Wait, this is the magical part. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god!
Okay, thank you. Paano po, sir? Sa tayo pipirma.
So yun na nga, we also ended up buying things for the kids, for the trip. So medyo maraming binili. Ayan. Ayan. So we bought damit na din for our next trip.
No vlogs. Lucas!
So, tapos na si Kuya. Ang daming nakuhang damit. So, si ate naman ang bibilhan. So, ayan.
Serena, suka mo nga. Ang ganda.
Okay. Wala na ibang pagkain. Kundi McDo. Eh ha.
Twister, oh. May twister ulit. Papansang french fries ng batang 90s.
Bunso.
Yummy.
Bunso.
I don't onion rings.
No, those are fries.
Oh, they look like onion rings.
Maraming salamat ulit sa pagsama sa aming adventures and hopefully makasama ulit kayo sa mga susunod na video. Thank you guys for watching!